In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run AutoSSL in cPanel to secure your domains and subdomains. If you want your website to load securely over HTTPS, this is an important task to know. AutoSSL helps automatically issue and install SSL certificates for the domains connected to your hosting account, which means your visitors can access your site through an encrypted and trusted connection. On many hosting platforms, this process is built right into cPanel, so it's usually quick and beginner friendly. To get started, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, take a moment to look through the main dashboard. cPanel groups tools by category, so the feature we need will be located in the security section. If your dashboard looks a little different from what you've seen elsewhere, that's normal, since some hosting providers use slightly different themes or layouts. The names of the tools, however, are usually the same. Next, scroll down until you find the security section, and then select SSLL/TELS status. This page shows the current SSL status for the domains and subdomains on your account. In other words, it helps you see which ones are already protected and which ones may still need a certificate. This is useful if you manage more than one website, subdomain, or service under the same hosting account. Once you're on the SSL/TLS status page, select the checkboxes next to the domains or subdomains you want to secure. Be careful to choose the correct entries, especially if you have staging sites, add-on domains, or subdomains that aren't currently in use. If your goal is to protect your active websites, make sure those are the ones selected before moving on. After you've made your selections, click Run AutoSSL. This tells cPanel to begin the certificate request and installation process. On hosting environments that use AutoSSL powered by Let's Encrypt or Sectigo, the system will automatically attempt to issue and bind the SSL certificates for the selected domains. In many cases, this happens without any additional input from you. Once the process starts, give it a little time to complete. Depending on the account and the number of domains selected, it may not happen instantly. Afterward, you can return to the SSL/TLS status page to confirm the certificates were applied successfully. And that's it. By using AutoSSL in cPanel, you can quickly secure your domains and subdomains and help ensure your visitors connect to your site safely over HTTPS.